All right, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install some window rain guards on a 2020 Subaru WRX STi. Just like any other video that I have posted or on my channel, I'm going to show you what comes inside the box and I'm going to show you what tools are required for this installation. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the box that they come in. As you can tell, already open it up. I just want to make sure that everything was still in one piece, and they are, so we're good on that. Again, I'm going to run you through real quick what comes inside the box. First thing we're going to talk about is your installation instructions. It shows you step by step on how to properly install these. Pretty much the same thing I'm going to show you here in a couple minutes. Next, you're going to have 8 little hooks. I'm going to show you where these hooks need to be installed at to properly mount these on your vehicle. The window deflectors. And then last but not least, the front and rear window deflectors. And yeah, that's pretty much that comes inside this box. Now, just to let you know, they did not just toss them in the box and ship them this way. These were taped to the actual box. So they ensured that you receive these window deflectors in one piece rather than multiple pieces. So they did a really good job on that. I'm not going to make a separate clip. I'm just going to run through also what's recommended as far as tools goes. Again, these are recommendations. You don't really need these, but again, I do highly encourage that you do use some of these. So the first one is gloves. Yes, I will be using gloves for this installation, a rag and some rubbing alcohol to clean the surface. Yes, I will be using that. And then the last thing is a hairdryer heat gun. So as some of you already know, I'm in Southern California where it's nice and warm. Currently we're sitting like within the 75, 80-ish degree temperature right now, so I will not be using a heat gun. I think this is more intended for the colder climates like up north. So it says here within 77 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, that's kind of where they want the temperature at to make this adhesive stick better to the vehicle. If you're under that, what I am not, but some of you may be, again, in those northern areas or in those countries where it is a little bit colder, then yes, I would recommend using a hairdryer or a heat gun just to heat it up a little bit to have the adhesive stick, again, like I said already, better to the vehicle. Again, not a must, just a recommendation. I will leave that totally up to you. But either way, this is what comes inside the box. These are the recommended items that you should need as far as tools. So with this, let's get these little guys installed on my car. Okay, step one, it says pull down run channel gasket in middle area of the window. After that, clean where the deflector will make contact with the 3M double-sided tape using that alcohol and a rag. Next, install the clips onto front side window deflector as shown. Just keep in mind, clips must be perpendicular to edge of deflector. Next, pull tape backing approximately 15 millimeters and 30 millimeters as shown. Now install the front side window deflector, making sure the metal clips attach to the door. So for number 6, check proper alignment of side window deflector with the door. Then pull the tape backing in order as shown. Once that is done, apply firm pressure approximately 12 pounds on the deflector blade directly over the tape area. Do not attempt to seat the tape by pushing on lower portion of the deflector. Now the rear window is the exact same as the front. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull down the run channel gasket in the middle area of that window. After that, you're going to clean where the deflector will make contact with the door using that rubbing alcohol and a rag. So same concept as the front side window deflectors. Install the clips onto the rear side window deflector as shown, and then ensure that the clips are perpendicular to the edge of the deflector. Next, pull tape back in approximately 15 millimeters and 30 millimeters as shown. Install the rear side window deflector, making sure the metal clips attach to the door. This will be a two-step process that simultaneously happens. So first, check for proper alignment of side window deflector with the door. Then pull the tape backing in order shown. Once that is complete, apply firm pressure, approximately 12 pounds, on deflector blade directly over tape area. Okay, so there we go. I just showed you how to properly install some window rain deflectors on a 2020 Subaru WRX STi. I showed you the front and the rear. I still have to do the passenger side, but that's nothing more than mirror image of this side right here. So if you thought the video was helpful and you liked it, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications because I will be posting more videos here in the near future. So with that being said, YouTube, that's it for now. Until next time, take it easy.